Hello. Thank you for tuning in today. This is going to be a little bit different than normal. All right, good morning. It's a beautiful day. And I want to talk about preparation for things. I want to talk about how we can prepare for things, right? There's a quote that I've heard growing up my whole life, and I really think it's been misconstrued. People say, what you do in the dark will come to the light. See, I love that quote because I used to always think it was a negative thing. What you do bad will be revealed in the light, right? So if you hurt somebody and you think you're going to get away with it, it's going to be revealed. The truth will come out to light, right? Come to find out, this whole time they were talking about what you do to prepare when no one's watching, when you're in private, when there's no one around, you're not in public, you're in solitude. What are you doing to build and prepare the foundation for whatever it is you have as a vision in your head, right? You have a dream, you have a goal, you have ambitions, you have desires, you have whatever it is that you want to pursue, you want to achieve an objective. How are you preparing for that? How are you taking the steps necessary to put into implementation the things that are going to bring into fruition what you see in your head and you feel in your heart so that it could be in this world? See, someone had an idea about this shirt, this jacket, this pants, this phone, these rings, these glasses, even the hairstyle, even those buildings behind me. Everything that we see that was man-made first came from the minds. Someone believed in their heart and felt powerful enough in their heart that it was possible to make it happen. So they took the time necessary to prepare, to build the foundational steps that would lead to the next level. So when I ask you, what are you doing in the dark to present in the light? That's a better way to phrase it. What are you doing when no one's around in private to present in the public eye? So that's a beautiful thing for me, right? Because I've been changing my mindset about focus and preparation since the beginning of this year. Something about focus is all I've been doing, guarding my focus. And I say that because everything that you can perceive in this world, everything you can receive in this world, let me correct myself. Everything you can receive in this world that you would want to have and bring into fruition, you first have to perceive. You cannot bring into fruition something that you desire without first seeing it in your mind. So when you close these two eyes and you open up the eye in your minds and you see a grand stage where you can see everything and imagine anything and be anything, that right there, that's the key. That's the gateway. Albert Einstein said, imagination is the doorway to life's coming attractions. He also said that in a moment of crises, imagination is better than knowing. This is because when you are stuck, you don't know where to go. The things that got you from survival mode aren't going to help you get to thriving mode. Who you were, who you needed to become to survive is not who you need to be in order to continue to thrive. You need to become someone different. So when I tell you, again, what you do in the dark shall come to light. You say you want to do this. You say you want to have that. You say you want to be this. You say you want to go there. You say you want this. But what are you doing to make it happen? I'm speaking to myself too. Don't think I'm just coming at you. I'm coming at this person. Nah, I'm speaking to myself every single time I make one of these videos because I want to talk to the younger version of me. I want to talk to the kings that were still there, that are suffering in the moments where I didn't know any better, when I was still suffering. I'm talking to the kings in the future who is myself, and I forget what the hell is going on, and then my crown's rocking off a little bit. I have to readjust it and put the jewels back in my crown. I'm not just talking to you. I'm talking to both of us, okay? You a king, I'm a king. We're going to shine together. And I want to make sure that you shine with the necessary tools in your mindset and your habits so that your life can be successful. A lot of people think that they can just waste their life. We have 75 summers, 75 fall, 75 spring, 75 winters, if we're lucky, they say. But here's the thing. I have people in my life that have passed away at 25, 29, 22. You probably do too. We don't know when our time is here. We don't know when it's time for us to be departing from this world. But I'll tell you this one thing. While I'm here, I'm going to do everything I can to bring to fruition the ideas I have in my mind, that I feel in my heart, that I think are possible. And I want to make sure that I give this to you. You. I do these videos because of you. I don't know how much time I have on this earth. And God forbid the day I pass away, my daughter can enjoy these things too. I want to make sure you guys have the necessary tools to grow, to continue to thrive, because I didn't have that when I was growing up, and I want to make sure that you don't have to struggle the same way that I did. So I'm going to ask you, what are you doing to prepare in the dark to present in the light? Let me know in the comments down below. As always, stay blessed, stay beautiful, stay strong, stay wonderful. You are amazing. I love you, and I can't wait to see what you have to say in the comments down below. Stay blessed.